Clavulanic acid, open quote, important. Clavulanic acid is generally not used alone as an antibacterial drug. It is combined with a beta-lactam antibiotic, most commonly amoxicillin, to inhibit beta-lactamase enzymes and restore or amplify the antibiotic's activity. The information below therefore focuses mainly on amoxicillin clavulanate. 1. Generic name, drug class, brand name, drug forms, close quote. Generic name, clavulanic acid, usually supplied as clavulanate potassium. Drug class, beta-lactamase inhibitor, beta-lactam antibacterial adjunct. Common combination, amoxicillin plus clavulanate. Common brand name, Augmentin and other generic amoxicillin clavulanate products. Drug forms, tablets, extended-release tablets, oral suspension, powder for suspension, chewable tablets. Injectable preparations exist in some markets as amoxicillin clavulanate combinations. The exact strengths and available formulations vary by country and manufacturer. 2. Definition. Clavulanic acid is a beta-lactam compound that inhibits certain bacterial beta-lactamase enzymes. By preventing these enzymes from destroying the beta-lactam antibiotic, clavulanate protects drugs such as amoxicillin and extends their antibacterial spectrum. 3. Mechanism of action. The mechanism can be understood step by step. 1. Some bacteria produce beta-lactamase enzymes. 2. These enzymes can break down susceptible beta-lactam antibiotics, such as amoxicillin. 3. Clavulanic acid binds to and inhibits certain beta-lactamases. 4. This protects amoxicillin from enzymatic destruction. 5. The protected amoxicillin can then bind to penicillin-binding proteins, PBPs. 6. Amoxicillin inhibits bacterial cell wall synthesis. 7. The weakened bacterial cell wall ultimately leads to bacterial death. Therefore, clavulanate, beta-lactamase inhibition, protects amoxicillin, cell wall synthesis inhibition, antibacterial effect. Important limitation, clavulanate does not inhibit every beta-lactamase, so the combination is not effective against all resistant bacteria. 4. Pharmacokinetics. Absorption. Clavulanate is absorbed after oral administration, and administration of amoxicillin clavulanate at the beginning of a meal is recommended to improve absorption and reduce gastrointestinal intolerance. Distribution. Clavulanate distributes into body tissues and fluids. It is used together with amoxicillin because its principal clinical role is to protect the antibiotic from beta-lactamase-mediated degradation. Metabolism. Clavulanate undergoes substantial metabolism. Excretion, clavulanate, and its metabolites are eliminated primarily through the kidneys, making renal function clinically important when selecting an appropriate amoxicillin clavulanate regimen. Half-life. The half-life of clavulanate is relatively short, approximately 1 hour, although the exact pharmacokinetic parameters vary with formulation and patient characteristics. Number 5. Uses. Clavulanate is used in combination with amoxicillin for susceptible bacterial infections, including acute bacterial sinusitis, acute otitis media, lower respiratory tract infections, community-acquired respiratory infections, skin and skin structure infections, urinary tract infections, certain dental infections, selected polymicrobial infections where beta-lactamase-producing organisms are suspected or confirmed. The approved indications vary according to the particular product and country. It does not treat viral infections such as ordinary viral colds or influenza. Number 6. Indications. Amoxicillin clavulanate may be indicated when a bacterial infection is confirmed or strongly suspected. The suspected organism may produce beta-lactamase. Amoxicillin alone is unlikely to provide adequate coverage. The causative organism is known or expected to be susceptible to the combination. Antibiotics should not be used unnecessarily because inappropriate use promotes antimicrobial resistance. Number 7. Contraindications. Important contraindications include 1. Serious beta-lactam hypersensitivity. Contraindicated in patients with a previous serious allergic reaction to amoxicillin, clavulanate, penicillins, certain other beta-lactam antibiotics such as cephalosporins. Serious reactions can include anaphylaxis and Stevens-Johnson syndrome. Previous cholestatic jaundice, hepatic dysfunction. Avoid amoxicillin clavulanate in patients with a previous episode of cholestatic jaundice or hepatic dysfunction associated with the drug. 3. Severe renal impairment. Some formulations, particularly specific high-dose formulations, are unsuitable for patients with severe renal impairment. Dosing must be adjusted according to renal function. Number 8. Before taking this medicine, precautions. Inform the healthcare professional if the patient has previous allergy to penicillin or cephalosporins, previous antibiotic-associated jaundice or liver injury, liver disease, kidney disease, history of severe drug-related skin reactions, previous Clostridioides difficile-associated diarrhea, infectious mononucleosis, current medications, particularly anticoagulants, allopurinol, or probenecid. Patients with infectious mononucleosis have an increased risk of developing a rash with amoxicillin-containing therapy. Renal function should be considered because dosage adjustment is required in significant renal impairment. Number 9. How to use. Oral tablets. Take exactly as prescribed. Take at the start of a meal. Swallow tablets with water unless the product specifically permits another method. Take doses at evenly spaced intervals. Complete the prescribed course unless the healthcare professional tells you otherwise. Taking the medication with food is particularly important for amoxicillin clavulanate because it improves clavulanate absorption and may reduce gastrointestinal problems. Oral suspension. Shake well before each dose. Measure with an appropriate oral syringe or measuring device. Store according to the product-specific instructions. Do not use beyond the recommended storage period after preparation. Number 10. Dosing information. Dosing depends on the infection, age, body weight, formulation, and renal function. Adults. Common immediate release regimens include 500 mg or 25 mg every 12 hours, or 250 mg or 125 mg every 8 hours. For more severe infections or respiratory infections, commonly used regimens include 875 mg, 125 mg every 12 hours, or 500 mg, 125 mg every 8 hours. These are examples from prescribing information and not a recommendation for self-treatment. Children pediatric dosing is generally based on the amoxicillin component in mg kilogram per day and varies according to the infection and formulation. The amoxicillin to clavulanate ratio is important, so different formulations should not be substituted on a milligram for milligram basis. Renal impairment. Patients with GFR 30 milliliters per ml require special consideration. The 875 milligrams tablet should not be used in this group under the cited prescribing information. Number 11. Missed dose and overdose. Missed dose. If a dose is missed, take it when remembered. If it is nearly time for the next dose, skip the missed dose. Do not double the next dose. Overdose. Possible overdose effects may include nausea, vomiting, diarrhea, gastrointestinal discomfort, fluid electrolyte abnormalities, kidney-related complications in significant overdose. Severe or intentional overdose requires prompt medical assessment. Renal impairment can increase the risk of complications. Number 12. Stop or avoid taking. Avoid or stop the medicine and seek urgent medical attention if symptoms of a serious allergic reaction occur, such as difficulty breathing, facial, tongue, or throat swelling, severe dizziness, widespread hives. Seek urgent medical evaluation for severe or blistering skin rash, yellow skin or eyes, dark urine, severe persistent diarrhea, significant abdominal symptoms, signs of liver injury. Do not stop an antibiotic merely because symptoms improve unless instructed by a healthcare professional. However, serious adverse reactions require immediate medical attention. Number 13, side effects. Common side effects: diarrhea or loose stools, nausea, vomiting, skin rash, urticaria, vaginal candidiasis, vaginitis. In clinical trial data for amoxicillin clavulanate, diarrhea, loose stools, nausea, rash, urticaria, and vomiting were among the most frequently reported adverse reactions. Serious adverse effects: anaphylaxis, severe hypersensitivity reactions, severe cutaneous adverse reactions, hepatitis or cholestatic jaundice, C. difficile-associated diarrhea, severe drug-induced enterocolitis syndrome, superinfection. Number 14. Vital information. Remember, clavulanic acid is primarily a beta-lactamase inhibitor, not the main antibacterial component. Key points. 1. It protects amoxicillin from certain beta-lactamases. 2. It broadens amoxicillin's antibacterial coverage. 3. It does not overcome all mechanisms of bacterial resistance. 4. Take oral amoxicillin clavulanate at the beginning of a meal. 5. Check penicillin beta-lactam allergy history. 6. Consider kidney function before dosing. 7. Monitor for severe diarrhea. 8. Monitor for hepatic adverse effects. 9. Avoid unnecessary antibiotic use. 10. Complete therapy according to the prescribed regimen. Number 15. Other drugs that may affect it. Probenecid co-administration is generally not recommended because it can affect amoxicillin pharmacokinetics. Oral anticoagulants. Amoxicillin clavulanate can potentially increase prolongation of prothrombin time in patients receiving oral anticoagulants. Monitoring may be necessary. Allopurinol. Concomitant use may increase the risk of skin rash. Oral contraceptives. Product labeling notes that amoxicillin clavulanate may reduce the efficacy of oral contraceptives. Patients should discuss appropriate contraceptive precautions with their healthcare professional. Number 16, drug comparison. Clavulanic acid versus sulbactam versus tazobactam. One drug class, clavulanic acid, beta-lactamase inhibitor. Sulbactam, beta-lactamase inhibitor with some intrinsic antibacterial activity against Acinetobacter. Tazobactam, beta-lactamase inhibitor. 2. Common combinations, clavulanate, amoxicillin clavulanate, sulbactam, ampicillin sulbactam, tazobactam, piperacillin, tazobactam. 3. Main purpose. All three primarily protect a partner beta-lactam antibiotic from susceptible beta-lactamase enzymes. 4. Clinical use. Amoxicillin clavulanate, commonly used for community-acquired respiratory, ENT, skin, and selected urinary dental infections. Ampicillin sulbactam, commonly used for selected inpatient infections. Piperacillin tazobactam, commonly used for more serious infections requiring broad-spectrum coverage. Nasher 5. Important distinction. The choice among these combinations depends on the site of infection, suspected organisms, resistance patterns, severity, renal function, and local antimicrobial guidelines. Number 17, patient teaching. Teach the patient to 1. Take the medicine exactly as prescribed. 2. Take oral amoxicillin clavulanate with the first bite of a meal. 3. Complete the prescribed treatment unless instructed otherwise. 4. Do not share antibiotics with other people. 5. Do not save leftover antibiotics for future illnesses. 6. Report severe diarrhea, especially persistent or bloody diarrhea. Report rash, swelling, or breathing difficulty immediately. 8. Report yellowing of the skin or eyes or dark urine. 9. Inform healthcare professionals about previous penicillin beta-lactam allergies. 10. Tell the healthcare professional about all prescription medicines, OTC medicines, and supplements. 11. Maintain adequate fluid intake unless fluid restriction has been prescribed. 12. Understand that antibiotics do not treat viral infections such as common colds and influenza. 13. If a dose is missed, follow the prescribed missed dose instructions and never double the dose. 14. Keep liquid formulations according to their specific storage instructions. 15. Attend follow-up if symptoms fail to improve or worsen. Nursing point. Monitor for therapeutic response, hypersensitivity, gastrointestinal adverse effects, superinfection, hepatic dysfunction, and renal function-related dosing issues. Reference: current prescribing information for amoxicillin clavulanate is available through DailyMed and FDA labeling. Thank you. Have a nice day.